Welcome to my channel once again. Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
My dear friends, my dear viewers, today I would like to explain the measuring the data in cybersecurity. Computer understands only binary language. If you press capital A, system cannot understand. Internally, it converts into ASCII format. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, you are getting binary equivalent number is 100001. So where the data is coming from, how the data we are storing in the server and data center. Today I would like to explain measuring the data in cybersecurity data analytics. So 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabytes, 1024 terabytes is equal to 1 petabytes, 1024 petabytes is equal to 1 hectabyte, 1024 hectabyte is equal to 1 octabyte, 1024 octabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte, 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte, 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte, 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte, 1024 geobytes is equal to infinity. This is the way we are measuring the data in cybersecurity analytics.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.